Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to read notifications on the Huawei Band 10. Now to do that, you can either swipe up from the bottom of the screen and open the notifications panel, or you can press the button at the side of your Huawei Band 10 to open the app drawer, and from here, just tap on notifications. Now from here, as you can see, we have 3 notifications. Just tap on the notification to view them all. Now, as you can see, this is how you can view the notifications. Now you can tap on the notifications to reply to them. Now, as you can see, you can either reply with an emoji, or you can reply with the quick replies from here. And also, if you tap on the bin icon, you can remove the notifications from your band, just like that. And this is how you can read notifications on the Huawei Band 10. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.